Hi, we would like to take a minute to wish you and your family a Merry Christmas and a happy holiday season. We know you have a lot of choices when it comes to your car repairs, and we appreciate you making us your choice. We will continue to work hard to earn your business. If at any time you feel as though we failed in our efforts to do that, please don't hesitate to give us a call. We want to make it right. If during this season of heavy driving there is anything that you need for your vehicle, please give us a call. Once again, happy holidays.